In this video, let's understand the overall architecture of a DBMS. At a high level, DBMS architecture has three main parts: users, query processor, and storage manager. Users send requests to the query processor. The query processor understands the request and prepares it for execution. The storage manager manages access to the data stored in the database. Now let's look at the query processor in more detail. It contains precompiler, DML compiler, DDL compiler, and a query evaluation engine. The DML precompiler possesses SQL statements embedded in application programs. The DML compiler processes DML commands such as select, insert, update, and delete. The DDL compiler processes commands like create, alter, and drop, and stores the database definitions in a data dictionary. The query evaluation engine executes the query using the selected execution plan. Now let's look at the storage manager. It contains the buffer manager, transactional manager, file manager. The buffer manager manages data in main memory. The transaction manager manages transactions and helps maintain database consistency. The file manager manages the physical database files. Finally, the database storage contains data files, indices, statistical data, and the data dictionary. So in simple terms, user send request, query processor process them, the storage manager access the stored data. Together, these components form the basic architecture of a DBMS system, the database management system.